Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Sherly coming to you with her elf haul. How are you guys doing? How's everything coming along with you guys? I'm doing quite well. Feeling a lot better. I am just here trying to go with the flow of life. I'm going to show you a couple of things. I had to do a lot of repurchasing of items because I ran out of white. So I went to see what they had on the website. They didn't have any major sales at all. So I just went and got whatever I can. Elf is a very affordable product brand, and everything is, to me, at a reasonable price. So definitely just went and grabbed whatever I could, and also used some of my reward points. Actually, they sent me an email about me losing some of the points, so I went and just decided to go ahead and place my order since I did run out of the wipes. The first thing I'll be showing you guys is the e.l.f. Makeup Remover Fragrance-Free Cleansing Cloth. It's something that I love and use at all times. Here's another makeup remover. This is the one with the exfoliate, which I love when I really do a full face. So this comes out when I just do a nice full face, and it helps remove a lot of the makeup products for sure. Here's the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cleansing Body Wipes. I do work out every day. I do run, and I definitely enjoy using those wipes. Also picked up the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser with Purifying Water. I've never used this before, so I'm really intrigued and excited to see how this product goes. I also got the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist in Coconut. I've never seen this product before. It's the first time I saw it on the site, so I was like, let me pick it up. And I did, and see how it goes, because I am running out of the Fix Plus is going down. I'll be going to Sephora very soon for that. I just wanted to get a substitute for traveling purposes, so I have to keep bringing the Fix Plus with me. Here's the e.l.f. Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser. This is a first for me as well. I'm really intrigued to see how this product goes. And this is just the makeup remover pen. I've never used this. This is in clear and transparent, and we'll see how this one also goes. I was thinking about using this for like around the brow area and like the wing area to see how it would work. So definitely I'll keep you posted on that. And then the Mist and Set that I've had in the past. They look like they changed the packaging a little bit, but yeah, this is really good as well. And it also came with a nice little gift set. I don't know how much everything came out to. It doesn't say. But it came with a little gift package as well. And it's always cute to get free stuff. So it came with the Intense Ink Eyeliner, the Blackest Black. It came with the Moisturizing Lipstick in Blackberry. It also came with the e.l.f. eyeshadow. Looks like it's matte. Also the Dramatic Lash Kit right here on the bottom. So they give you free 4 products as a gift for purchasing, I think, over $25 worth of products. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. And that is my e.l.f. haul that I have placed an order for online. I love e.l.f. The products are very affordable, and they have some good stuff. All right, you guys, you continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.